Wayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal Quiet Deluxe here. We're going to try to get this to print a little better. We're working the print quality here. So this one is not printing the tops of the letters, both capitals and lowercase, very well. And if you take this and you give it a little well, you can take this like on the lowercase here and type that H, but if I lower the basket, so I'm just going to lower it a fraction with my finger here, you'll see that these letters get a lot more uniformed. So here's normal. I'm just touching very lightly, and this ribbon is crummy. But if I lower the basket just a fraction right there, just a little bit, you'll see the H, how it evens out right there. So now it's printing evenly, at least top to bottom. Normally, it's light on the top. Same thing with the capitals, it's light on the top. If I was able to get the basket any lower, it would even out. So that's really what we're going to do, is adjust this. I've made sure the carriage is not the problem. Like, the carriage sometimes gets knocked out of whack on these, and then that throws that whole business out of whack. But it doesn't look like that's the case, so I'm going to adjust this basket and see if we can fine-tune that. Of course, these adjustments are right here. After I started looking at this particular machine, I haven't really cleaned it yet. I can see all kinds of WD-40 oil in here, caked in here with the dirt and the old oil. It's kind of a mess, but I want to make sure I can resolve this before I clean it. So let's find my tool here. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is make the basket go lower on uppercase. So that's these stops right there. The one on the inside here, so I'm going to loosen this nut right there, and I want it to go lower, so I'm going to back that screw out. I've got a couple different screwdrivers I can use. I'm going to go ahead and use this one here and just back that screw out. Maybe one full turn. Get a better screwdriver. This one is, well, the tip looks alright. Let's see if I can get it in there. Okay, I'm going to go one full turn. I'm going to tighten that nut up a little bit. I'm just going to snug it up. Okay, let's go do the other side. Alright, so that one is the inside one there. Let's loosen this. Okay, and again we want that to come out so it goes lower. This typewriter's really dirty. I can't even see that screw hole there. I'll find a brush here. I can't even see in here. It's so bad. That's a little better. Okay, so we want to back this out. One whole turn. That might be too much. Snug the nut down. Let's see how much effect it has on the uppercase H here. So now I'll shift. Yeah, that's definitely better. That might be the spot right there. Even when I hit it light, it's printing evenly. But now see how far the motion is off. So we're going to keep that at the H level there. We need to bring this one down. Uppercase or lowercase needs to come down a little bit. So we went one full turn. Let's just do one full turn on the other adjustment here. So we want it to come down, so we tighten that screw. So we're going to loosen the nut. And tighten the screw. Let me get something to hold this nut out of position so I can turn this in one full turn, 1/2. Okay, right about there. Let's just snug this nut up a little bit. Let's go to the other side. One full turn. This side's 32. Okay, so let's loosen the nut. Got it. And I'm going to hold the nut with this tool. And turn this in one whole turn. One turn. Just like that. Let's just tighten this nut up a little bit. Like that. Let's see how close we are. At least I cleaned these bottom feet. They're just ripping like crazy. They were all messed up and I couldn't handle it. I had to do that right away. So let's try this. So we got lowercase. Well, that's just about right. That's looking pretty good. All right, I'm going to tighten those nuts up and call it good. Because now the H lowercase, if I just tap it, it's even. Let's try the Y's and the P's. And they may be a little light on the bottom. But that's better than all the letters being shadowy on the top. Number 8's a good key to check too. It's a tall lowercase key. Good. Let's tighten these up and we'll call it good. I'll double check those when I'm done cleaning the whole machine anyhow. And so these should tighten right up without throwing the adjustment off any. So tight, tight. One thing I was taught way long time ago was when you do any type of type alignment procedure, it's best to use a used ribbon because new ribbons don't show the differences as much as a used ribbon will. So that's why I put in this brand new ribbon from this place here that people use around theoffice.com. Boy, they sell some crappy ribbons at that place. This is a brand new ribbon and it's like half as dark as my ribbons. And it's brand new. Just took it out of the package right there 10 minutes ago. I got a couple of these because some people came and they were dissatisfied and bought some real ribbons from me. But common internet ribbons suck. Buy from a typewriter shop, please. Alright. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.